You know, it's crazy how, something as routine as cleaning can turn dangerous when you mix the wrong products. Like mixing bleach with vinegar can actually create chlorine gas.
Yeah,
It's a stark reminder that even everyday chores require some careful thought.
Absolutely. And that gas isn't just a minor inconvenience. It can really mess with your breathing, cause coughing, and even irritate your eyes and nose.
And, the video really drills into that point. It even warns against mixing other items, like, baking soda with vinegar, or bleach with ammonia and phosphate detergents. It's like a whole recipe for disaster if you're not careful.
I mean, isn't it odd how something like vinegar, which you'd think is so natural, turns into a hazard when paired with something as common as bleach?
Yeah, exactly. It's like, mixing peanut butter and pickles. You just don't do it because the outcome is completely off. The video uses that shock factor to push home the idea that even if you have all these cleaning products at hand, combining them can seriously backfire on you.
I get that, but I kinda wonder, don't many people already know not to mix these chemicals? Maybe the warning feels a bit overblown sometimes?
That's a good point, but you know, accidents happen all the time, especially in busy households, where someone might grab the wrong bottle in a rush. So repeating the warning can actually save lives.
True, the message is more than just about personal safety. It's about protecting your family and even the environment.
Exactly. And the video even suggests safer alternatives. It hints at options like using black soap or lemon for eco-friendly cleaning instead of risky chemical mixes.
Yeah, indeed.
That's a much friendlier approach for both your home and the planet.
It's interesting. Sort of like the household fairy warning you about mixing stuff that seems harmless but actually isn't. Would you say that imagery adds to the appeal of the message?
Definitely. It's a bit whimsical, but then again, the stakes are no joke. It's like, think of it as a fairy tale gone rogue, magic gone bad.
Right.
We're talking about real dangers here.
And while it might sound humorous, the reality is that a simple mix-up in your cleaning supplies can lead to some pretty serious health hazards.
Absolutely. And the take-home message is clear. Don't mix household cleaning products unless you're absolutely sure they're safe together.
Yeah, exactly.
It's all about using the right alternative methods that, work safely.
It really brings home the point that sometimes being extra cautious is the best way to protect not just yourself, but your family and even your home environment.
Totally. So, next time you're reaching for that cleaning spray, just pause and ask yourself, is this safe to mix? Keep those chemicals separate, and you'll keep the household disasters at bay.
Yeah, for sure. Well said. Here's to making smarter choices around the house and keeping our homes both clean and safe.